Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Gifty, the gift to your hair. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video I'm going to be talking about our Wineberry top seller wig. This is our Wineberry Peruvian body wave with the HD lace frontal wig. She got the 26 inches, and originally the wig was in a half up half down style as you see right now, but we decided to switch it into a deep side part. This frontal is amazing. It blends in flawlessly, really thin kind of lace, so once you put it on it's gonna be like invisible. You know that whole new trend of the invisible clear lace? That's the same concept of an HD lace. You can get this wig off of gifty.org. I do have this wig available from 16 inch to 30 inches. The inch that she got was a 26 inch. More detail on the wig is it is a 180 density wig, is a 13 by 6 HD frontal, dark red with dark roots as well, so it gives you like that wineberry kind of vibe. Really pretty. This is a timeless piece, a head turning style that is soft and super bouncy. This wig features a seductive red color with dark roots. The hair is human hair, so you're able to do cramps, you can do body wave, you can make it straight, and it's a perfect wig for all occasions. You're able to do many style. This beautiful colored wig is already pre-colored for you, so there's no damage to your own natural hair. The wig comes ready to wear, pre-colored, pre-styled, and everything else. So you can select on gifty.org if you want it to be in the half up half down, or if you want it to be a beautiful side part like my client did here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment for more. Bye.